guys, so this video is going to be about July's PV promotion this month, and this is about the Essential Rewards. So if you're a member, you know about the Essential Rewards. So the first one is going to be if you spend over 100 PV, you'll get a 5 ml lavender vitality bottle. And that retail value is $15.79. So you're saving money by getting that bottle for free. Then if you go over 190 PV, you'll get a 5 ml Valor, And then the bonus Essential Rewards exclusive would be the Lavender and Cooling Mist and a 5 ml Lavender Vitality. And those three the retail value would be $86.51. So you're getting all those free products, so that's pretty cool. If you were to spend over 190, that's what you'll get. If you spend over 250 PV, you'll get a 15 ml geranium essential oil bottle, and then a 5 ml Valor. You'll also get the Lavender Cooling Mist and the 5 ml Lavender Vitality bottle. And all of those, the retail value would be $142.43. So if you go over 250, you're getting all those products free. Like, it's amazing. And then 300 PV, if you go over 300 PV, you will get a 15 ml Aroma Life bottle. You'll also get the 15 ml geranium. You'll also get the 5 ml Valor, and then the Lavender Cooling Mist and the 5 ml Lavender Vitality bottle. So those are a lot of good deals going on. Oh, and the retail value of the 300 PV, if you go over that, is $207.23. So you're saving a lot of money by ordering stuff, pretty much. So if you don't know about Essential Rewards, you can leave me a comment down below and I can explain it more to you. But yeah, if you have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks.